how can you use OneDrive on the iPhone? Let me guide you through it. If you are new here and first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So the first step is to get the app from the App Store. That would be the prerequisite or the first thing to do, because without it we don't really have much, or I believe it is like the best way to use the OneDrive. So of course you get the app for free, and in order to get us started you need to have a Microsoft account. Like the OneDrive is obviously made by Microsoft, and in order to start using their cloud storage you need to have an account. So the first thing you see is that you are supposed to sign in, right? And then you can get started. If you don't have a Microsoft account, obviously you can set one up. But then once you go through it and you get inside, you basically have like two parts of the app. Inside you have the photos and the files. So the files is like the regular cloud storage like Google Drive or iCloud Drive, where you can upload any file type. Like you can store here your spreadsheets, documents, or videos, or anything else. Obviously you have some kind of like storage limit based on your subscription plan. So that is the first thing. Obviously you can click the plus button, upload whatever thing you want from the gallery or from the files app. But then we also have the photos section, which is part of the app as well. And this is dedicated to backing up every single photo of your device. Like that is the primary objective with it. So, similar to Google Photos or iCloud Photos, the way that it could work is that if you set this up, it means that every single photo you capture in your iPhone and is part of your gallery will be automatically uploaded to be backed up to this place, right? So it might be working well. I mean, I personally use exactly the same approach, just with the Google Photos instead, but this works exactly the same way. So yeah, you can go ahead and use it in this sense too. So that is general guide on how you can use it. For more information about it, stay tuned. I plan on making more tutorials about this particular service or app, so stay tuned for that, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.